We are at Hannover Messe Press Preview 2024. That is where I got the opportunity to meet Marina Fliamer. She is the founder of TechnoRobotics Limited. They are working with Cobots. That is something very interesting because we have seen in the recent years in India, there's lots of people working with Cobots. So how this journey of TechnoRobotics started?
Okay, thank you for your question. We are the Israeli-based innovation company which specializes in collaborative robotics. And collaborative robots are going to replace to some extent the big industrial robots, especially for the small and medium-sized manufacturing. And the idea is really collaboration, teaming up together between humans and the robots. And they're very good for the small and medium-sized businesses because they're first much less expensive. Secondly, they are safe. You do not need to invest to the big infrastructure like fences. And thirdly, they can be really easily integrated to the digital factory. So now we are trying to use cobots in a way that you at home use the washing machine. So just enter the parameters, like for example for palletizing the height and weight and the size of the pallet, and push the button and we will do the work for you.
We have seen today in the presentation done by Dr. Fabian, the artificial intelligence is taking a big role in manufacturing, and you are bringing automation through these collaborative robots, and robots are also becoming smart.
Exactly.
Do you think that the research is happening to improve the products, the role AI can play in the cobot working space?
There is no other way. Because the way you use the ChatGPT in your everyday life, this is exactly the way the AI is used in the Robotics now. And you just need to produce enough of data for the predictive analytics, and you need to improve your hardware to be integrated to the digital factory. For example, we switched from the general PLC programmable logical controller to the PLC next generation, and that gives you the opportunity to become a part of the Internet of Things. But even at this stage, our collaborative robots really are driven by AI technology. For example, we can go to your factory. I can take iPad, scan your workflow, and put the simulation of the conveyor on there. And we could, with you together, decide how we palletize the goods from the conveyor. And this could be possible only with the AI-driven software.
You see, India and Israel is now collaborating in a very big way. There are many Israel companies who is coming and investing in India. So you have your manufacturing facility in Israel?
Israel, exactly.
Yeah.
But we may think about India. That's a very good solution.
Yeah.
And really, I would really like to invite all people who are interested in partnerships and in piloting. We produce the solutions in palletizing and in metal works, in CNC machine tending, and in welding. And we do produce ready to install solutions which combines the hardware, the software, and the services. And I know services are very important for the small and medium-sized businesses because you cannot afford to have a robotics engineer. So you need somebody who could deliver the ready-to-use turnkey solution, and we will be really pleased to have a partner for piloting our products in India.
So this is a great opportunity for people who are into automation, especially as you told some of machine tending, the metalworking, as well as in the welding, where there are a lot of solutions, ready solutions, where you do not have to invest on a robotic engineer because the cobots, the collaborative robots are so smarter, they will be able to get your work done.
Exactly, and I would add that we can work with the old machines. For example, in Israel we work with Trump, like 20 or 30 years old, and they're perfectly functionable. I do believe that this is the same in India. So we just need to modernize that. And this is not like several hundreds euros, that's much less.
Marina, it was great talking to you right now, and I expect people who are coming from India or anywhere in the world, when you reach Hannover Messe 2024, you have this beautiful lady going to give you much amazing collaborative robots which can make your shop floor so wonderful, so automated. I wish you and TechnoRobotics all the very best.
Thank you. We will have a future together.